Welcome back to aerial practice for another slow and exciting drop. I'm calling it a knee drop, but make sure you have also cover your hips, your knee, because I burn myself everywhere practicing this drop. If you haven't warmed up yet, just click these videos on the top or in this description, because we're now gonna get to the hammock where I will show you the steps. Now that you have seen the steps, why don't we try together? Bring the Bring the hammock out, stepping my right foot, and climbing up like this. I like to lean on my hip, so that I can bring my left hand forward. And if I'm spinning, I can also throw my upper body to the back of this hammock until can grab this pole. Now fly a little bit. Make sure you don't forget to press the toes down. Now I'm going to turn to the back following my leg until I take this. Then I'm in this position. And I can chill a little bit. Mentally prepare going into a cross back and invert. To go into a cross back, I'm grabbing a little bit higher, pulling my body up and kicking my leg up at the same time. Keep it up, especially when we go into an invert. I'm pressing my body back and kicking my leg and my knee up. Kick this leg up higher to help me to go all the way to an invert. Now here I can relax a little bit. Slowly bending both of my legs. Pull the body over. Then now hook. Hooking this one and keep this one straight. Now you can play with the arms for a beautiful pose. But I'm keeping the tension in my hand until I'm ready to do a drop. If you're just starting, you can slowly release, but if you want a dramatic drop, I would go up, crawl into a ball, and then release. Now let's see what it looks like with spinning.